I would like to highlight key advantages of investing in cyclical stocks. I've earlier discussed the disadvantages inherent in cyclical stock investments. This time around, I want to talk about key advantages that are associated with cyclical stocks. Number one is high potential return, higher potential return. So during economic expansion, during economic boom, when the economy is doing very well, cyclical stocks often outperform defensive stocks, providing higher return, as consumer spending and business investing increases. As the economy does very well, cyclical stocks tend to do what? Tend to equally perform well, leading to higher returns for the investor. This particular attribute is not very common with defensive stocks. Defensive stocks may not be very sensitive to economic environment, but in this case, there is that particular higher degree of return, from a typical cyclical stock. Number two, capitalizing on economic growth. Cyclical stocks actually, grow with the economy, which allows investors to benefit directly from periods of economic boom and, expansion. When the economy expands, when the economy does very well, when the economy, is experiencing, a kind of, boom, then of course, cyclical stockholders will be smiling to the bank. Number three, increased dividend yield. Increased dividend yield. In strong economic periods, cyclical companies may offer a higher dividend yield as they experience a kind of improvement in profitability. So the payouts, as dividends will equally increase as a result of the stock experiencing improved profitability because of a favorable economic cycle. Number four, opportunity for market timing. Opportunity for market timing. Investors can capitalize on lower price during economic downturn and sell when the market is strong, potentially leading to what? Leading to a significant gain. And so, if you are a cyclical stock investor, you have an opportunity of buying when the economy is down, when stock prices are depressed, so you can buy at that period. And when the economy picks up and stock prices climb as a result, you can sell, and thereafter you make a significant gain. Number five, sector specific gains. Investing in cyclical stocks within growing sectors like technology, like consumer discretionary, can provide significant opportunities for capital appreciation. Companies in the tech sectors, generally, they tend to grow at a very high rate. And so if you are concentrated in that sector, as a cyclical investor, you are bound to do very well because these, sectors tend to outperform, whenever the economy does significantly well. Number six, potential for strong earning growth. There's that potential for strong earning growth, as you invest in cyclical stocks. Cyclical stocks often show impressive earning growth during economic upswing, reflecting, increased consumer demand and business activities. When the economy is doing very well, consumers will have that confidence to go out and spend, because the impact of the economy will be felt even in consumers' pockets. They have that discretionary income to go out and spend. So as they're spending their money, in one purchase or the other, it's equally, impacting companies whose product they are purchasing. That will lead to strong earning growth in the company's concern. Number 7, attractive valuation during recession. Cyclical stocks can be purchased at discounted price during economic slowdown, offering potentials for substantial gains when the economy recovers. You come to discover that companies that are doing very well fundamentally, because the economy is down, investors may dump the stock. The stock price could be depressed. That depression in stock price is providing a kind of makes the stock more attractive to investors in this class. Number 8, diversification benefits. Including cyclical stocks in a diversified portfolio can enhance. It can enhance your returns, can enhance your result during economic recoveries and balance against more, stable investments. Though cyclical stocks are somewhat unstable, they are volatile, but for the fact that, the economy can recover, you discover that it will give you an outsized level of return. It can enhance your returns in the markets. And lastly, number 10, economic barometer. So I told us earlier, the economy affects performance of stocks and affect the performance of cyclical stocks in particular. And so investing in cyclical stocks can serve as a way to gauge the overall health of the economy, providing insights into future economic trends and investment strategies. These advantages make cyclical stocks an appealing option for investors who are able to navigate the economic cycle effectively. So I would solicit you understand these advantages very, very well. And as you understand them and you are comfortable with them and you feel you can bear the disadvantages inherent in investing in cyclical stocks, then of course you can go ahead and either focus on this kind of stocks or make it part and parcel of your portfolio. As I told us earlier, unlike a typical, defensive stocks, these stocks, they do very well in an uptrend economy. So the economy does very well. You as a cyclical stockholder, cyclical stock investor, you will equally perform very well also.